Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to connect your Garmin watch to Samsung Health step by step. So first of all, you need to open your Google Play Store or App Store. Over here in the search bar, you need to simply search for Samsung Health and the Garmin application. You just have to make sure that you download and install the latest version of both of these applications. Now, once you have done that, you first of all have to launch the Health Connect, and then you need to tap on the option of app permissions. You will see the list of the connected applications here. So you just have to turn on the permissions for Connect to write the steps to basically see the sleep, heart rate and working data. Now you can give your Samsung Health permission to read the same categories. This lets Samsung Health automatically pull your Garmin activity data through the Health Connect application. So you can open then Garmin Connect and refresh your status. Then you can open Samsung Health. Within a few seconds, you will see that your Garmin data will appear there. If the syncing doesn't start, you can just reopen the Health Connect and confirm all of the toggles are enabled. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.